Hi, and welcome to Strategic Solutions TV. My name is Carol Bell. Today, my special guest on the program is Dr. Anthony LaVacca from Naperville Dental Specialist and General Oral Health Care. Is that right?
That's correct, Carol. Thank you so much for having me on the show today.
I'm so glad you came, and it's good to have you here. Dr. LaVacca, many people go online when they're looking for a prosthodontist, and they don't always know what they should look for in order to be sure they find a good one. So as someone who has been in this business for many years, and you are truly an expert, tell us what things you think are important for people to look for. What advice would you give us for looking for a great prosthodontist?
All right, well, one of the things about when you're looking for a prosthodontist is you probably can't spell it. A lot of people are informed about what a prosthodontist is. And what a prosthodontist is a specialist that's recognized by the ADA to pretty much restore someone's whole entire mouth. And we do that through crowns, bridges, dental implants, and also cosmetic dentistry. And routinely, a lot of the general dentists will refer to a prosthodontist when it's a case very difficult or very sophisticated that it's difficult for them to undertake in their own office. So pretty much we get a lot of the hard cases that other people don't feel comfortable doing, and we've had the additional training of 3 years after dental school to become a prosthodontist, to have the ability to take on these challenging cases and give patients solutions to their needs of their dentistry that is either failing or they're missing a lot of teeth or they're just looking to smile and chew again.
So should someone look for someone who's board certified typically?
Well, board certification means that there was an additional exam that they went through to become an American board certified prosthodontist. All of the prosthodontists are board eligible. It's just a matter if they want to take that academic challenge to become a prosthodontist. Being board certified in any specialty doesn't mean that you're better than anyone else. It just means that you took the time and effort to become recognized by your specialty as a specialist.
I understand. So, Dr. LaVacca, tell us about your practice and tell us a little bit about your name, Naperville Dental Specialist and General Oral Health Care. Why such a long practice name?
I know, Carol, it seems like such a long name, but we had to fit it all into the title. Being in academics years ago and being a professor at Montefiore Medical Center in New York, one of the things I wanted to do was always practice with the team approach. My wife, who also is a prosthodontist and an orthodontist, we shared the same vision. And we developed Naperville Dental Specialist and General Oral Health Care around the fact that we wanted to treat everyone in one location. From specialist to general practitioner, we have all of the specialties of dentistry under one roof. And it's very convenient to the people in the community of Naperville. Also, with my general dentists that are here, they pretty much go through a rigorous training with me to keep their standards up to being a specialist also. So we developed this concept that in Naperville, which is a very densely populated area, that a lot of people don't want to go to 4 or 5 different practices. They become a patient of the practice where they can bring their children, they can come for their general dentistry, and if they need specialty needs, either I myself or one of the other specialists will take care of their needs that are very difficult or very hard for other people, very challenging to other people.
So you really have an all-inclusive practice because you treat whatever the condition is or what the need is that someone has, as well as treating the whole family.
Yeah, that's what's very neat and very unique about our practice in Naperville is that the children can come here and see the pediatric specialist. As the children get older, they can see a general practitioner to take care of them. And then their parents come. You know, parents are in their 40s, 50s. Sometimes they're missing a few back teeth, and we're able to do the implant surgery here, along with restore their dentition back to normal form and function, once again, in the same convenient location in downtown Naperville.
That's really nice that they can continue to go somewhere where they're comfortable with the people who are taking care of them and know that the work's going to be excellent. So
yes.
That's great. I love that whole concept. So, Dr. LaVacca, you have a special offer that you give for new patients coming in. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, we do, Carol. So for all of our new patients coming in, especially for prosthodontic work, we offer our patients a courtesy consultation with a courtesy panoramic radiograph. I sit down with the patient to discuss their needs. I know there's some other places where they pretty much have a referee that comes in or someone working as a treatment plan coordinator. I personally see the patient on the first visit. I will see them, evaluate their panoramic radiograph to see what their needs are, whether it be implants to all-on-4 to cosmetics, and then they get a feel for whether or not they would like to be a patient of the practice, or if they agree with some of my treatment. And if they agree with that, then we bring them back for a secondary consultation where we take more in-depth radiographs, diagnostic casts, and also we have a really, really neat imaging program here where we can take a picture of the patient's teeth, of their smile, and actually go into the computer program and give them a set of teeth so we can demonstrate to the patient what their teeth and what their face would look like if they went through treatment here in the office.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. And I think it's also really important that you do meet with them on that first consultation visit, because it gives them the chance to feel like they can trust you and know that they're in the practice that they want to work with. So that's wonderful.
Yeah, absolutely. Building a rapport with our patients is key. It's not necessarily the dentistry that we provide. Yes, we are dentists and we have dental specialists in the practice, but it's all about the customer service that we extend from the minute my staff picks up the phone to the minute they make their appointment, and then to dealing with their insurance. That's what sets us aside of the other practices in the area.
Right, but the fact that they meet with you gives them the ability to feel like they can trust you as well.
Absolutely.
So it's important. So for someone who wants to come in and take advantage of your offer to set up a consultation, what's the best way for people to get in touch with you?
Well, still the easiest way to get in touch with us, Carol, is through our phone service, or our 1-800 number, which is 1-888-873-4606. And give us a call there. Otherwise, we also can be reached via website, which is ndscare.com.
And that's easy to remember because it stands for Naperville Dental Specialist, so it's NDS.
And we care about you.
Right. That's a good one.
I like that. Well, that's why I named it that.
So for all of you in the Naperville area that are watching, I highly recommend that you call Dr. LaVacca's office and make an appointment for a consultation with him. That way you can see the technology they use. You can see that they've got specialists to meet whatever needs you have, and I know that you will be very satisfied. Dr. LaVacca, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to be with us and give us such great information today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Carol, for having me on the show.
You're welcome. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you next time.